In this chapter, we shall be looking at how to manipulate fractions, Part 1. The areas of consideration shall include Introduction to fractions,
various forms of fractions,
equivalent fractions,
multiplication of fractions, compound fractions, and division of fractions.
From the beginning, when we introduced you to fractions, we used various food items to explain what fractions really are. And we further explained that fractions are expressed as a numerator over a denominator.
We also discussed the various forms of fractions that exist, such as proper, improper, and mixed fractions. We equally expressed improper fractions as mixed fractions and mixed fractions as improper fractions.
Equivalent fractions were discussed accordingly, and we used a sliced circle to demonstrate what equivalent fractions are.
We also solved related practical problems of various kinds. Under arithmetic of fractions, the first topic we dealt with was multiplication of fractions.
Using various graphics, we demonstrated how to multiply fractions.
And then we solved some practical problems that helped us understand the principles.
As an extension of fractional multiplication, we looked at compound fractions and showed what compound fractions are.
Finally, we showed how fractions are divided by applying the principles of reciprocal fractions. And we further explained with examples using a shape like a typical cake.
We then went on to solve various problems on division of fractions. In the Ultimate Edition, we solved various application questions drafted from various sources like GMAT, SHL, and YX standard questions. In addition to these, we added quiz questions in the Premium Edition of this package.
So now, let's fully discuss these areas of fractions in details.